Hey everyone, Marc Saltzman here. Smart home tech is super hot, as you likely know. And I want to show you something brand new to Canada. This is the Ooma Smart Security Starter Kit. There's a 5-piece kit and an 8-piece kit, as you can see here, but you got to check this out. You probably know Ooma from their best-selling internet phone service, but these starter kits are all about home security. In this 8-piece starter kit, there's a base station you connect to your modem or router, as well as door and window sensors, a motion sensor, water sensor, and 105 decibel siren to let you know if a sensor is being triggered when you're at home. But even when you're not there, your smartphone will give you real-time alerts via a phone call, text, email, or app notification. And if you have an aging parent who lives alone, you could be notified if a sensor hasn't been triggered, such as putting one of these on a fridge door or a medicine cabinet, for example. It's super smart. These Ooma home security systems are also modular, so you can buy additional sensors over time. There are no contracts. It uses your existing Wi-Fi, which you're already paying for. But there's an optional secure plan for $6.99 a month with a very cool remote 911 feature that lets you call emergency operators for your neighborhood if a sensor is being triggered at home, even though you might be in another city altogether. Okay, be sure to check out the Ooma Smart Security Starter Kits at Best Buy or bestbuy.ca. Thanks for watching.